Hello, friends. Very good evening. Today is a big day. I am here at RT Krishna Hero to take the delivery of my brand new Xpulse 4V. So they planned this event. They planned a sort of an event here where they are going to do a gala event and deliver about close to 10 bikes, 10 first Xpulse 4V bikes for Bangalore. And so yeah, my bike is right on the podium. It's covered and kept on the podium, and it's going to unveil once the event starts. So let's get in and take a look at the arrangements what have been made. And this is Mr. Suresh.
Hi, sir.
And Suresh, Mr. Suresh, thank you so much
Thank you so much.
for being super nice and very customer friendly.
Thank you so
I
much.
really enjoyed my experience so far.
Thank you.
So yeah, thank you. Look forward to the delivery.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
So guys, Suresh is the sales manager here, and he's going to. He was the one who helped me out in the entire booking process and all that, and very kind enough to make the process seamless. Hi, Deepak. Hello, sir. So, guys, Deepak is chief here. He's the director and he's the head of this showroom. So, I've been interacting with him for quite some time, and he's been very nice and customer friendly in order to help me out in the entire booking process, both for me and my brother. Thank you so much, Deepak. Thank you. Thank you. So, my friends, this is my bike, which is kept covered, and the backdrop. What you see is icy mountains, probably Himalayas or whatever, but icy mountains, and it's been covered and kept here, and it's going to unveil when the event starts. So that's about my bike, and there is one more bike here which is kept on top of the podium. I've been told that this is the red with the black one, and which is also going to get unveiled during the event, right? And a lot of decoration here, and all the bikes have been lined up here for the delivery, right? So, hi Vinod. So this is my brother Vinod's bike, which is also ready for delivery. So all the bikes are here, which are going to get delivered today. All the Xpulse 4 valves. So apparently a lot of bookings for the blue and black, and there's one red here as well. And there are three more bikes at the back. So in total about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 bikes which would probably get delivered today. So here's the lineup of rest of the bikes as well. Mostly 100cc and 110, 125 and all of those. And there's a huge lineup of bikes inside as well. All the bikes here, right? A lot of them here. Lot of bikes. A lot of extreme bikes. I have a lot of all the customers are here, along with RSM of Hero, who's responsible for the South India sales, Mr. Mahendra.
Thanks for coming here and blessing this occasion. First, we'll start with lighting the lamp.
So we are now going ahead with lighting the lamp. So all the customers who are getting the delivery today are here. So, RSM for Hero Motocorp, Mr. Mahindra is here. The gentleman in the green t-shirt, what you can see there. So he's the one, I think he's going to unveil the first bike, right? So yes, sir. Please hold like this.
Okay, thank you, sir.
ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
ಸರ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು.
working.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್. ಸರ್ కొంచెం వెళ్ళండి సార్.
So please come, sir.
ఓకే సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Guys should take photo.
Thank Mr. Mahendra Kumar for TSM by the green t-shirt. We have arranged the vehicle 4 weeks. We are supposed to get in the month of Jan to February only, but based on request, it's arranged. We are the first dealer in Bangalore to launch Express 4V. It's a great. I like to thank Mr. Deepak also, Mr. Talevani, who are the managing partners to get the vehicle first in Bangalore, and he has enough to spend so much to inaugurate the 4V function, Express 4V. We have got this Express 4V is got a good powerful engine, okay, oil cooled. It has got a good LED lamp lighting, good strength. It don't have vibration. You can climb easily the hills. This has good facilities compared to 2V. These are advantages. I like to thank Imate, Mr. Ajay, to talk about the two-wheeler, because will be more experienced compared to us. Will be ready.
Yeah.
Because
Thank you. So, I being a repeat customer of Xpulse, so I can clearly see the differences in terms of the previous model and this model. It's totally very much highly refined, and the initial pickup is all really much better than the previous model, right? And the smoothness, the entire gearing ratios have been reworked. The gears, the pickup in each of the gears is totally different, and the refinement level is really top notch at this point in time. So all I can say is this is probably the best Xpulse 200 ever. Yeah.
Go ahead, sir.
here come on.
Sir. Our day is Mr. Mahindra will help you support the vehicle.
Again, thank you all. My name is Mahindra. I'm from Hero Motocorp. Again, I'm very privileged and honored to be a part of this ceremony. So I thank Adi Krishna, Hero, and all the customers who are present here. So there's nothing much to tell about it. Actually, Mr. Srinivasan and Mr. Rajay, they've already spoken. They've already spoken about the product. So as you can see, Xpulse, it has come with the new color graphics, and it has a better 4-wall engine. So now I think it will give a better performance on a long ride as well. So and coming to engine power also it has been increased. There's higher torque as well, and like you said already, the gain ratio has been improved. So and with a brighter LED headlight. So overall, India's most successful off-road bike or motorcycle has become much more better now. So it will reach newer heights thanks to all of you. So and I wish you all happy riding, and thank you for being a part of Xpulse family.
Thank you. We launch one more color also. Wait.
So yes, my friend. So that's my bike, which has just been unveiled by the management team here, and now they are unveiling the other color, which is the red with the black one. So my friends, this is the cake what is going to be cut today for the event. Looks amazing. There are pictures of the Xpulse. There's pictures of the Xpulse 4V with Hero branding and the dealership branding as well.
Going, sir?
Please come forward.
Hang on.
Yeah.
Sir, please come. Sir.
Wait. Okay. So everyone, you together.
Sir.
Come.
Where is Vasant? Can you hold this?
Can you hold it?
Sharon, join here. Vasant, yeah. Vasant, walking now.
Go ahead. Take it, whatever you have cut. Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, my friends, this is the piece of cake, and I'm going to have the cake too. I'm going to get the bike and also have the cake too. Just about to get the key to the bike very shortly. So Mr. Deepak is here with the huge key, and I'm going to get it, and then I'm going to kickstart or power start the bike and get going. My brother Vinod is taking delivery of his brand new Xpulse 4V. So MD Mr. Deepak sir is handing over the key to my brother Vinod. the photo session, the photo frame has been presented to me, and the pictures taken. So both my bikes are here, and this is my brother's bike and that's my bike. So we are about to leave for the day, go home, right? So let me show you the console of my bike, right? You would want to see and know if I really got the bike at 0 kilometers per 0 kilometers done on the Odo, right? So yes, my friends, so this is my speedometer. There is yeah, it says 0 kilometers on the odometer. Date, time, everything I have to set it up. So it says 2nd Jan. So yeah, all that yet to be done. So probably go home and then figure it out. So yeah, thank you friends. So we'll be heading out from here and heading back home and posting this particular vlog of this event. And do let me know your thoughts in the comments. And certainly Hero has not disappointed, especially RT Krishna, the director Mr. Deepak, and the sales manager Mr. Suresh, and RSM from Hero Mr. Mahendra have been very cordial in terms of ensuring customers are really taken care, and customer satisfaction has been uncompromised. So thanks to Hero and thanks to RT Krishna. So certainly recommend them if you would like to go ahead and book any of the Hero bikes. Thank you my friends, take care and have a wonderful rest of the day.